So here's changing the GE French door refrigerator water filter. So you will know that the water filter has expired because it will say expired on the dashboard. So it's gonna be in red, so you won't miss it. So what you will need to do is make sure that you look into the inside of that water filter, um, inside of the fridge, so you can get the brand of the and the type of the filter. So here it is. So I bought it in Amazon. It's a genuine GE refrigerator water filter, XWFE. You will know what you will buy if you would have to look into the model number of your refrigerator, but for this one it's the XWFE. So here's it's very quick. You'll just have to remove the old filter, of course, and then it's just tricky getting that new filter in. But as soon as you get it in, you gotta have to go and twist it. So you twist it counterclockwise when taking it off, and then clockwise when placing it back on, while placing the new filter on. And then there's gonna be a warning, or it's a note inside in yellow, which I didn't take off. So you would need to start um, the water as soon as you've changed the filter because of this. Check that out. There. It needed that to happen. But after that, just maybe take like 4 or 5 glasses of water just to clear it up, and then just for first use, and then make sure that on the settings you do need to clear the expired warning off. Um, you just go to the water symbol actually, so I did a couple of mess up there, but go to the water symbol and then just click the filter button for 3 seconds, and now it clears up, and that's it. It was very easy. It did last for like, supposed to be changing it 6 months, so just keep an eye on the warning. But that's it. That's an easy setup. Amazon has it, Home Depot has it. Again, just check your model number if you're not sure. Thank you.